Hi, my name is Roz, and along with my husband Adam, we created Crew Schools. It started 30 years ago, but Adam used to work at Guernsey Park Museum. A school one day couldn't visit the Victorian kitchens, so instead of cancelling the workshop, Adam decided to put some props and costumes into his car and drive to the school. The teachers loved it, the kids loved it. And so, 30 years on, we've decided to expand. And that's where you come in. Because if you would like an educational franchise that brings education to life, is fun, gives you internationally recognised training, mentoring and support, then Crew Franchise could be for you. We have loved delivering our workshops to schools and we want to share that passion with you.